stopping over there, and then coming over here. Downtown DC must have been Washington, DC. And that one's going to downtown DC on the Fairfax Connector bus. And Fairfax Government Center is right next to my mom's over there. It's close, or it might be closest, because Fairfax Government Center is closest to my mom's house, or it would be close to my mom's house from Fairfax Government Center. Remember, Fairfax Government Center is where I got a shot, where my dad took me. And I wonder if buses run here at Fairfax Government Center like the time we got here on the bus. And there's Fairfax Connector bus. I'm just guessing. That just makes sense to wait for buses. This has no why that makes sense for me to say something about waiting for the Metro bus. There's 660 again. We can't ride it to the Vienna Metro.